Hi friends, welcome back to Nifty Max Algo Trading channel. First of all, I would like to ask apologies because we have taken so much time to come back with the proper result and the proper strategy. So we were working for best strategy. So that is why we have taken some much more time. And today we have come up with the good result strategy. Okay, and this is the Nifty option buying strategy. And this is the backtest report what we have got by using our strategy for last 1 year. Okay, this is the backtest report what we have got from the Tradetron. And so this is used 30k capital, and this is the result. You can see this the what we got the result for by using this Nifty option buying strategy. Okay, and I'll explain the completely about this report, the last 1 year report what we got. And so you can see here the monthly average 22,976. Okay, so you can see the curve, how the strategies works from the last 1 year. And this is a monthly wise the percentage what we got. This day wise the result. Okay, and you can see here also what we got the result. So July and August, September, October, November. July, why? Because red, it is we have very ended, we have tested that. Post that we have completely every month, so we have run that and got this the ROI. This is the result what we got. Okay, so overall this you can see here. So the P and L what we got. Okay, this is actually deduction by using the brokerage, the zero brokerage. A standard it will be 20 rupees per order. Okay, so we can recommend this is the deduction, post deduction. So this will be the P&L, and recommendation for zero brokerage, so we can get more P&L and less deduction. Okay, and this is how the strategies works. And I'm showing this is the last 1 year backtested report what we got from the Tradetron, so that we have applied all our coding there. And so we applied our strategy, so and we got this result. Okay, and if you are looking to get this strategy, please contact our below mentioned description number for more information about this strategy. So we'll answer your all queries, and we'll give you more detail about this strategy, how it works. Okay, and thank you. We'll see you on next video.